Welcome back to my channel. So for today I have the makeup look that I'm wearing right now, and yeah, I used the Sister James Charles Morphe palette. And if you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. My name is Alejandra and this is our beauty space. Okay, so I already have this eye prepped. I'm gonna go in with the color Brother, which is this one. I'm basically gonna use the little blue quad here and this purple shadow right here from the James Charles palette. So yeah, I'll be saying the names throughout, but mostly I'll just be using them. So I'm gonna go in with Brother. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade Cola, which is like a navy blue, just to kind of intensify the inner and outer V's. Blend that out, I'm gonna take Playground and I'm gonna just very lightly tap the brush on it, get very little product and blend that out. I'm going back in with Brother and adding a little bit more here, just to kind of like make it. I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadow primer. This one is from LA Splash. You can use whatever you already have, and I'm just gonna prep my lids. I'm gonna go in with the shade Artistry, and I'm just gonna take that in my finger. I tried different brushes and I really wasn't liking the payoff. I think the finger just shows up a lot more. I'm gonna go with a small little brush and the shade Artistry and just kind of touch up. As you can see, I kind of tapped the shade onto like the sides where the navy blue was. So I'm just gonna go back in with a Brother and add a little bit more so it doesn't really become purple there, but I still wanted like a little gradient effect, so that's why I brought in the glitter a little bit closer. Now I'm gonna go in and do my liner and I'll be right back. Okay, so I already did my foundation, my powder and all that. I'm just going to go back to the palette and grab the shade Brother, and I'm going to put it in my lower lash line. So this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like always, all my information, social media is going to be down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in our next video. Until next time, I'll see you guys then. Bye guys.